everybody. How are you doing? We're still in a big old the snow has stopped, but there's still a lot that has to be cleared off, and it's supposed to drop way down. Tomorrow will probably be the warmest day of the week. It's supposed to be a high of 33 Fahrenheit, which means it's 1 degree above freezing. So it's not going to thaw a darn thing. And then the rest of the week, we're supposed to have highs that are going to trickle down into the single digits and then below for the highs. It's been requested that I do a winter scene because we're in winter.
Our hearts beat to the city.
This canvas is drying. I'll show you. I did it with a gray background because, well, there's going to be, there's going to be snow, but probably not a whole lot of vivid color in here, other than the blowing snow and that kind of thing. You'll be able to see the pickup, the color of the pickup, and I might give the guy a red coat or something, I don't know. But it's going to be mostly darker colors or shades of black and gray and white. The brown is going to be there more or less. It will mark out the road, but there's going to be a lot of snow on it after a bit, so it's not going to, but it needs to be there so that I know where I put the road. I may come back later and expand it more, but it's also going to get a lot of cover from snow and a snowdrift, so we'll see what happens. Turn on those other lights, and I'm piling all these paints and stuff around it and putting it in shadow. I don't want that. There. Hopefully that's not in shadow now. There's going to be a lot of white on this canvas. So, anyway, I'm going to quit there for tonight, and we'll clean it up tomorrow and do more work on it. So thank you for watching. Joe's out there. He's been... We're not, this whole next week is supposed to be into the lower, below 0 Fahrenheit. So, anyway, but we'll go talk to him for a bit. And I'm not going to stew over this painting because I know I can make it look better. So. Look where I found him.
Hey. I don't know if they're seeing me or not.
Oops, yep, they are.
There you are.
They're seeing you. You're just not very big in your part. He's over. This is what just a little distance does. I don't know what that was.
That's the oven.
We got a new stove a while back, and that he's putting some pizza in the oven.
Yeah, frozen.
Yeah. Occasionally he'll make his homemade pizza, which is more like a casserole, but very good. But generally, it's when we're going to have some company over, or once in a while, just for us. We'll eat it for a couple of days. So, I think we're going to say goodnight.
Good night, everybody.
So, we'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully make that painting better.
Stay warm.
Yes, do. If you're anywhere in this freeze zone and all this snow, a lot of it turns to ice, so just please be careful. All right, good night.
Our hearts beat to the city.